guys, I'm Sebastian with Ninth Island Connection. Thank you for clicking on this particular video. I'm excited about it. Haven't been to the Rio in years, many years, probably like a lot of you guys. Rio does get a bad rap. I think the location is not ideal. There's not a lot outside of the property, but in this video, we're gonna show you what a 2-queen Masquerade Suite. I think they're all suites, right? So this is the Masquerade Tower. This is 33008. So we're on the 33rd floor here. And you know what? Coming in, it's a little old, but it's nice. I have to say, I'm impressed. So right here, we're in the entry. So when you walk in, you're right in. The other hotels that we stay at pretty much always have a hallway when you walk in with a bathroom off to the side. This one here has a massive, like, vanity over here. How classic Vegas are these lights, right? I love it. Absolutely love it. You've got some extra drawers over here. Oh, there's a hairdryer. It's actually, you know what? A lot of space. Again, it's old, right? You can tell it's old, but it's big and spacious, and it's actually pretty nice. And you have your closet. Big closet in there. Also have this little area here for your bag and hanging some stuff up here. And notice you have a sink here, right? There's another sink inside of the bathroom. So 2 people kind of getting ready at the same time, which is pretty nice. So this is the tub shower area that has a funky little surprise here. And you know what? I saw this at the Orleans. If you checked out our Orleans video, the room tour that we did there, this had kind of the same thing. A cute little window over here. But unlike the Orleans, the little cute little lover's window, I don't know why I call it a lover's window. I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know, it's just weird. Anyway, but that one looks outside of the hotel. With this one, you're peeking into the bedroom, and you can peek from the bedroom into the bathroom. I don't know whose idea that was, but whatever, it's Vegas, right? Now let's go check out the room. When you walk in, it just opens up into this big space. This one is, I believe it's 550 square feet. It was on the website. You want to fact check me on that one. It's about 550 from what I remember, but really nice. Got a little seating area, coffee table, decent TV, the view, floor to ceiling windows. I mean, that's pretty awesome. And then 2 queen size beds, lots of space. I'm really actually impressed with the Rio. I'm actually pretty impressed with the Rio here, because if I'm being honest, the one time that we stayed here many years ago, actually it was so long ago that they still had that seafood buffet down there when it was popular. The room was a frickin' dump. It was a dump. We're not spending time in this video talking about why it was a dump. Just trust me, it was a dump. This is very impressive. Gotta love having a refrigerator. Love it. And you can't see it from there, but right out the window over here, there's the back of Las Vegas Boulevard. So we have views of Bellagio, New York, Park MGM, Aria, the Delano down there, and Allegiant Stadium. On this side, you have a view of the Palms, which we're going to check out. We haven't been yet since it opened. So it is a little worn, and you might notice, I mean, clever placement with whoever housekeeping did this, whoever in housekeeping, because when you pull it down, you can see the wear. And that's just wear and tear. I mean, it is what it is, but it's still fine. All right, guys, that's it. Let us know your thoughts. Have you stayed at the Rio? Have you been here recently? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Will you ever come back to the Rio because you watch this video and see that it's actually pretty decent accommodations? So thank you guys so much. If you haven't already, give us a like, subscribe, comment below, tell your friends we're a Vegas show that does a YouTube channel, not the other way around. So check out the description below so you can see how you can watch our television show, Ninth Island Connection. We're on Southern California, Yuma, Arizona, across the state of Hawaii, right here in our hometown of Las Vegas 3 times per week. Check out the description. You can also stream us wherever you are on the Hey Vegas app that's available on your Roku device, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire. Thanks so much, guys. Hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.